Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will continue block 9, life in mountains and deserts, and we will study third topic today. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Now let's revise what we have studied yesterday. So we have studied about living on a mountain, means lifestyle of people in a mountain. So on a mountain, people who live in the mountains wear warm clothes or woolen clothes to keep themselves warm from harsh winter of snow-covered mountains. And people usually live in wooden houses. And people usually do jobs like rearing animals such as yaks, sheep and goats for wool and milk. People also grow crops like maize and fruits such as apples, peaches, apricots and plum. And they grow these crops in lower region of mountain because it is very difficult to grow crops and it is impossible to grow crops in snow covered area. And mostly people like visiting the mountains. And why? To see the beautiful scenery and to enjoy winter sports such as snowboarding and skiing. And this is your bonus question for today. Question is, which one is not a feature of a desert? If you will watch the video sincerely, you will be able to answer this question. So watch the video and know the answer of this question and get your bonus point. And here are some keywords. Barren land means a land where plant growth is difficult. And burrow means a hole made by animal in the ground for living and for protection from other animals. Now answer this question. You need to imagine that what comes to your mind when I say the word desert. What comes to your mind? You can close your eyes, imagine about desert. So we usually think about sand, hot and dry climate and barren land when we hear the word desert. Okay, this is a desert. And who is the ship of desert? What's the answer? Camel. So when I say the word desert, it means a place full of sand with hot and dry climate and barren land. So today we will learn about the plants and animals that are found in a hot desert. This is your topic for today. Plants and animals of the hot desert. Write topic name, write LP3 in good handwriting. This is our aim for today, to be able to identify the plants and animals that are found in a hot desert. Now, I will show you some images. You need to observe those images and you need to fill the table. Okay, I will show you the table and images. So, observe those images and fill this table. Make two columns. One side plants found in a desert and other side animals found in a desert. You need to write this according to the pictures I will show you. So here are the pictures. Lion and crocodile. Do you think these are found in a desert? Next, hippopotamus and rhinoceros. If you think that these animals live in a desert, so you can pause the video and write the name on the suitable column. Next is scorpion and tiger. Do you think which of them live in a desert? Next is rat and lizard. Next is snake and camel. If you think that these animals live in desert, then pause the video and write it in suitable column. Now, what about plants? Here you can see banyan tree, cactus, banana tree and date palm tree. What do you think? Which plant can grow in a desert? Cactus, banana tree and date palm tree and banyan tree. So you can pause the video, fill the column, complete your activity, take your time and come back again. So do you think banyan tree and banana tree can survive hot and dry climate? And as we already know that rhinoceros and tiger, lion, they live in dense forests. So, but will you find dense forests in a desert? No. So, which animals are found in a desert? What do you think? You can pause the video and answer the question. Answer to your partner. Which animals are found in a desert? And plants also. So, animals found in a hot desert are the camel, along with a few kinds of snakes, rats, lizards and scorpions. And trees found in a hot desert are the cactus and date palm. Okay? Revise it again. Animals in a desert are scorpion and some kind of rat, snake, lizard and camel. And what about trees? Trees are cactus and date palm tree. Date palm, do you know date palm? Means khajur. Now answer, why are certain animals and plants found in a hot desert? What do you think? What is the reason why only certain plants and animals survive in hot desert with hot and dry climate and barren land and full of sand? So, those animals that do not need much water to survive or live under the ground to avoid the heat of the sun, means they can live in burrows to avoid the heat of the sun, are found in a hot deserts. Animals like camel can survive without water for many days, and some kind of snakes, scorpion, rats and lizards can survive in a desert because they don't need much water to survive, and they can live under the ground by making a burrow to avoid heat of the sun. And because of paddy feet, camel is able to walk in hot sand. So such features help animals to live in a hot and dry climate desert. And what about plants? Plants that do not need much water or can store water in their leaves or stem, such as the cactus or the palm tree, can survive in a hot desert because they can store water in their leaves and or stem. Now answer, can a desert plant survive in other regions? Why? Can a desert plant survive in other regions? So, a desert plant that does not need much water may not survive in a place that has heavy rainfall because such plants cannot tolerate heavy rainfall. Now, let's revise about plants and animals of the hot desert. So, desert is a place with hot, dry, barren land full of sand, and the climate is dry and hot. And some animals can survive in desert, like some kinds of snake, scorpions, rats, lizard and camel. Camel is the ship of desert because camel has many features that help camel to survive in desert, like paddy feet of camel help to walk on hot sand, and camel can survive without water for many days and walk easily on the sand. And animals of desert can live without water for some days, and they can live under the ground by making a burrow to avoid the heat of the sun. Such animals are found in a hot desert. And trees or plants that do not need much water or can store water in their leaves or stem, such as cactus or the date palm tree, can survive in a hot desert. Okay, so this is about plants and animals of the desert. After watching the video, this is your writing work today. You need to read the topic plants and animal of the hot desert, then finish your S3 only after reading the topic. Do PQ1 in content book and PQ3 in notebook. Complete your work properly. Don't give one word answer or don't give very short answers. You can write as much as you want, and don't copy the model answers. Don't wait for the model answers. Complete your work on the same day it is given. And this is your S3. Question 1. Which sentence describes a hot desert? Take the correct answer. Read and take the suitable answer. Question 2. Raj went to a hot desert and saw many coconut and mango trees. He also saw a few zebras, tigers and rhinos. So you need to answer by reading this paragraph. Question A is Raj speaking the truth? Give reasons for your answer. Question B. Which trees and animals would Raj really see in a hot desert? You need to fill this table. Question 3. Why will we not see crocodiles in a desert? Okay, watch the video and answer these questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Complete your work. Take care everyone. God bless.